Hey friends, so good to see you guys. Hey, we have an awesome opportunity to not miss out on caring for our students in the season. And so I know that a lot of you guys are waiting and wondering what do we do? Just so you know, our church has been kind of waiting, wondering what do we do? But now I want to highly encourage you for right now, for this Sunday, please, 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 please try to set up a time to connect with your students via FaceTime, Zoom, or Skype. And so the easiest way to do this is, as you see on the screen here, is we have Skype. If you've never used Skype, you can download that on your computer. Very easy way to have all of your students connect together. You can download, create a profile, send them a link to join. Same thing with Zoom. Zoom is another easy way to do this. The reason why I say FaceTime may not be the best is strictly because some people might not have an iPhone. So if your entire group has an iPhone, great, but if they don't, FaceTime can be a little bit more challenging to do, and so Zoom and or Skype are another easy way to do this. But I would highly encourage you guys, we want to connect with our students, and so please set up a time, download one of these apps, send out links to your students, encourage them to join. I would encourage 6 p.m. on Sunday, just an easy time to connect. Probably next week we'll have a new plan coming forward, probably posting some sort of sermons throughout the week, other things, but for right now I would encourage you to gather together with your guys or with your girls this Sunday, see how they're doing, pray together, share testimonies, encourage them, maybe even spend a little time in the Word before you do connect with them, just so you have some things to share. But I would encourage you, this is a great opportunity to share, to connect, to continue meeting together with your students. So hope you guys have a great week.